The most important reason to vote this year is that our state is depending on leadership. And Matthew Hill has been leading for us. With Matthew's leadership, we saw over $130 million in tax cuts for our families and small businesses. We can't be like Washington, D.C. We need a state that is more efficient and focused on taxpayers. Matthew Hill led the fight to cut wasteful government spending, saving taxpayers millions of dollars. We also have to focus on the next generation. Matthew Hill is fighting for our children, for their education and good jobs, to give them every chance in the 21st century.
I'm Matthew Hill, and I've been fighting for our community. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. I would appreciate your vote and support.